Hey everyone, it's Friday. If I look sleepy, it's because I am. Not dangerous sleepy, I can still drive, but just a little tired. I'm headed to Austin today. It's a pretty major weekend in terms of everything we have to knock out for our wedding. The first thing that I'm going to be doing today, and the reason I have to leave so early, it's currently like 8 a.m., is a cake tasting at 11 a.m. today that I have to get there for, and my gas just got done. Hold on. Okay, I'm just gonna have to do this thing where I can drive for a minute because I'm running a little behind. So what I mentioned was the cake tasting. That's the number one thing. I have a couple food tastings as well. I am gonna put information somewhere on here of this article about the cake person we're going to, because the person who's making our cake actually won the Rush competition, the one that's on Netflix. So, and I actually watched the episode a couple days ago, which was pretty cool. I'm really excited to try his cakes. I'll put his name as well. Record as much as I can of the cake tasting, but it may be difficult. I guess I'll just see what the situation is and we'll go from there. Cake tasting in person got canceled because of a COVID situation, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you the setup of our to-go boxes for cake tasting. Basically, these are the 6 cake flavors and then the 7 flavors here. He did say that one of the most popular flavors for him are the red velvet plus cream cheese, and he was in People magazine and had a spread for that cake. And then he also said another good combo is doing the cinnamon cake with the strawberries. This is fresh strawberries and buttercream. And we can also do like 2 different flavors for our wedding. I'm really excited to start trying these. The first one I think I want to try is the one he said is the most popular, which is the red velvet plus the cream cheese. That's how it looks. Wow. It's pretty intense. The cream cheese is pretty intense. So this is cinnamon plus strawberry. That strawberry and buttercream is amazing. Chocolate coffee, and then we're gonna put the coffee cream on it. So it looks like this. Oh wow. That is if you want basically like a frappuccino as a dessert. So this is Nutella plus chocolate coffee base. That's pretty good. I like that. So I'm gonna keep eating these and then let's see if we can come up with our 2 flavors. Hey, so it's the end of the night. We actually ended up not going to our second food tasting because we were so freaking full from the first one. But now it's a few hours later and we picked up Uchiko. So I'm gonna show you what we got. It's like our most favorite sushi place. So let me just show you what we usually get. So this is the first dish. I'll put the name somewhere on here because I don't remember, but it's so yummy. It's a white seasonal fish, broccolini, and I forget what else, but so freaking yummy. That's a hot one. We got the Madai. We got the wrong Madai. So we'll hopefully try this. Hopefully it will be good. And then we get spicy tuna as well. So our top picks. Good morning, everyone. This is the view from the hotel I'm staying at. It's the JW Marriott. Just love that I can see the water right there, and we totally have fall colors on the leaves. It is the day of our big move. Well, more so big move for Zohaib. He's moving from the old apartment to the new apartment that we're going to share after we get married. And it is gonna be a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. I did bring in a few boxes of mine just to get things started in terms of moving, which feels really crazy. So this is me coming in for the first time. I'm seeing it along with you guys. Okay, this is the first bathroom, which seems like the guest bathroom, right when you come in on the left. Oh, it's huge. And our voice is echoing. This is the guest room. Oh, I like those 2 spotlights. And this is a good space too. We're gonna make this into Zohaib's office and my mini art studio. That's a little AC. Ooh, and this is the cute little kitchen. Love. This is the living room. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. And then this is the master, which has quite a view as well. And then this is the master bath. Oh, it's a bathtub as well. And then we've got storage right above the toilet, and the closet, to be honest, doesn't look huge, but we can make do. Just got done with moving his stuff into the apartment. I haven't done mine yet, but got another one of these coffees, vanilla. Zohaib introduced me to these things. They're so good. And now we're just going on a walk while the cleaning people are cleaning his old apartment. So I wanted to show you because it's so beautiful out here. Just wanted to show how cute this is. There's a little bridge over there. Wow, that's so nice. So here's one of the places we need to do a tasting for. It's called Burro Cheese, and they do grilled cheese sandwiches. It's in this really cute area here on Rainy Street. I cannot get over this hotel view and those trees down there looking so fall. Absolutely love it here. Hey everyone, I'm in a massive rush, but I did get my hair and makeup done. As you can very well probably tell, I do not feel like myself. I mean, she did a good job, but I think it's just weird for me because I never wear makeup like this and I never wear foundation. Hope it looks good in pictures. It's a very messy day. Let's see if we survive it. the state park. So hip. Wow. The sun is like perfect right now. So I ended the last clip pretty abruptly. As you saw, the location was absolutely beautiful. It was everything I could have imagined. The weather was perfect. I had never been to that park before. I had only seen pictures online and it definitely did not disappoint. So I was super happy about that. And then it was my first time meeting our photographer, Jackie, who I'll go ahead and link her information below because she is so awesome. I loved her style. I loved her eye for the places we should sit or pose. She was phenomenal. Couldn't have imagined a better setup for photos at all. Next thing I wanted to talk about was what we decided to do for our photo shoot. And the first thing that we did was actually a picnic setup. And we based it on eating sushi because that's one of our favorite things to do. We brought sushi with us to eat during the photo shoot. And then I had also had a sign that said, "We are soy mates," which I'll share as well. I also painted sushi on 2 canvases that sort of joined together to be one painting, and I will share that as well. But basically what I planned is that we paint on the day of the actual photo shoot, and I knew that it would take time if we actually had to create the whole paintings right then and there. So what I did was I painted them the night before, and then I had us do the details once we got to the picnic site. So there's a few pictures of us painting, and I actually think those are my favorite pictures out of all of them. And then we went down to the more scenic parts of the state park, which also did not disappoint. I had never been there before, and so I had only seen pictures, and when I got there, I was really amazed with how it looked. It does get tiring at some points of having to smile so much and look at each other so much, and some things can feel kind of cheesy, but again, we figured out what works for us and what doesn't work for us. So yeah, I will be sharing some of the pictures over here. I'll try to share pictures in each of the areas we posed at in the park, and so that you have a good idea of kind of what majority of the pictures look like. I'll also link my Instagram down below where I'll most likely be posting, you know, all of our favorite pictures on there, so you can check it out. Thank you for going through this weekend with me. It was a lot, but I hope to continue to share wedding content until our wedding day. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll be seeing you on Sunday for the next one. Bye.